How to be a consistent Forex trader in 2021. In this video, we take a close look at a consistent trade setup. We show you how we prepared the trade and explain our mindset behind the trade. Plus, a special bonus, stay to the end and we'll prepare you for the month of April. We're using a simple strategy published in our textbook, My Trendline Breakout Strategy. You too can make money from the comfort of your home. Here's the disclaimer. It's required by law. Please subscribe as you see value. And remember, we enter all trades with risk. Let's get to it. Hey traders, to be a consistent Forex trader, you have to do the same thing over and over again. It's called having an edge. If you have an edge, you become profitable. If you become profitable, well, then it's only a matter of time before you hit the jackpot. That is the ultimate trading goal that you have desired. We're looking at the CADJPY, or the CAD yen trading pair. And what we're looking for is our trend line breakout strategy. Okay. Clearly it happened here, and this was the trade we took. What we want to do is explain that trade and exactly what happened for you. Take a closer look, as it were, at this consistently profitable trade setup. Trade that we've been going over for many months with you now. Let's just look at it from the daily chart to begin with. Okay. And what we see here is price is in a steady uptrend. Funny enough, the only bit of the trade, many of you look and say, well, why couldn't you be in that? Right? Well, that's perhaps what a trend follower would do. Break off the 200 period moving average, pull back, up, pull back. Here's where he's getting in. It's above the 200 MA, and he's going to follow the trade all the way up there. Notice though that this trade, if you were the trend follower, this would take 1 month here, 2 months, 3 months, 3 months. Now, my strategy, we haven't got time to sit on a trade for 3 months. Well, you could trade your stops. You know, you trade it at the close of the month, and then the close of the next month, you'll trail it, and you'll trade it again. You know, below this. Right. So you're just watching all this profit go up, and then something like this could happen, and that's a lot of profit. I'd rather win small and consistent, because if I lose, I'm losing small. Okay, not gonna lose consistent. Okay, so let's have a look. Now that we've explained the mindset behind the trade, why we're trading this little bit as opposed to this long bit up here, let's have a closer look at the particular trade setup and see how it all panned out. We're going to just drop from the daily chart. We're going to drop to the 4-hour chart. Okay. Can you see the trade looks a bit bigger now, doesn't it? It sure does. The trade in question was right here. Okay, we speak about these trades each week in our trade group as we see them setting up. We're going to drop now to the hourly chart, and here's it. Now, what you can see here is that this is just a beautiful trend. There's just no twist. It's a beautiful trend line breakout. Let's just put the trend line on. There you go. And I mean, that's a beautiful way to put it on. There are several ways to put it on, also like that. But notice the crossbeam is the same. I mean, just beautiful. Let's just fib across that trend line there like that. Okay, and let's just identify the target. This, boom, it went to one. Now we'd love it. Sometimes we see it goes to the 200, sometimes it goes this far. That's okay. That's okay. We want to typically get about 70 to 100 pips. Okay, 70 to 100 pips. That's a reasonable price. It'll take 3 to 5 days in the trade to achieve that target. Now we're looking at this trade. This was a phenomenal trade because if you drop to the 15-minute chart, here's day one. I mean, that's already huge. Right? That's a huge move. Now, clear indication that, wow, that's 180 with that move in and of itself. Clear indication that price wanting to continue on its journey. Pullback entry. Now we could put the lipstick on together. We've done this so often. We're going to pull back entry, and here's entry one. And then we're going to put on entry number 2. Pretty much we use the same procedure each time. Okay, entry 1 and entry 2. Basically, we want to get money on the trade, and if one fails, so for example, it doesn't get back up here, then we're going to get drawn in the trade here. A little bit of a drawdown. Yep, 20 pips. But notice how the 200 period move now did act as support in this case in this trade. If you're in front of the trade, by all means, add a position. Here we are. We've gone to the 618 at 72 pips. Okay. Let's just make a note of that. The take profit here. We're going to take profit 1. And then we also have take profit 2. Okay. Basically, we want to gather the pips. We want to gather the target we're looking for. And then we don't want to be greedy and extend ourselves. You know what I'm saying? We want to get what we're looking for. And when we got it, that's it. Trade's done. Okay. This was 1, 2, 3 days. We hit the take profit 1. We've got our 70 pips there, but from the 200, there's 100 pips there. I'm happy. Thank you very much. I really don't need it to carry on. Could leave a runner. Of course, it comes back, it stops you at break even. No problem. But you want to get your 100 pips, okay? Okay? You want to get your 100 pips and be happy. Very, very important to bank pips, okay? The cumulative value there on both of those trades, more than 100 pips. If your average is 100, if you got 50 and 50, whatever. But if you got your 100 pips, listen, be very happy. Be very happy because that there is trading, okay? You want to take your profit and simply close up your platform, okay, and walk away. You got money in the bank. Guys, we take these type of setups consistently. Please subscribe. You'll see that when we post, it's the same consistent trade setup. Please look back at our history. What you'll see is the same consistent trade setup. Okay? We look forward to helping you. Comment if there's a particular trade, currency pair that you like. If there's a trade setting up, they will be sure to notify you. And you can become also a member of our Telegram trade group. Guys, I don't want to take too long on this video. It's been a few minutes already. Read the description below in the YouTube video. And we look forward to seeing and talking with you on our next trade. Okay. Now, guys, just to prepare you, we've seen this beautiful trade set up here. Just to prepare you, because we're coming into a new month. We've just finished out the month of March, and now we're into the month of April. So how would we prepare for an opportunity in the month of April? We've already identified it, to be honest with you, but let's just share with what the potential is. We could do a trend line like that. We could do a trend line like that. Okay. What we're looking at is if price observes our strategy, we're going to be in this trade and we're going to be going down here. What's my expectation with this trade? Well, for the month of April, I expect that this will go up. It'll go a bit higher, and then it will collapse down. Doing pretty much what this done. It went up, collapsed down. And when it does that, we're going to be in the trade. So we're just giving you a little prep for the month of April. And sure enough, we will post this trade in the Telegram group, and subsequently perhaps we'll do a video on this trade. There were many other trades that occurred in the month of March. This was the CAD yen, there was a CAD Swiss, there was a dollar CAD, another beautiful trade that we're looking to continue, and also the dollar Swissy. So phenomenal setups, they occur consistently, and we're just going to keep doing this review on a consistent basis, so that the viewer will be able to see the consistency, recognize, and get involved in these opportunities. Look forward to speaking to you guys. Again, please subscribe on our next video. Thank you much, and bye-bye.